Times when I'm thinking about us before we got lost and we parted.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have a massive extreme decluttering video for you guys. I am tackling my kids' room. I'm gonna start with this closet just because there's so much in here, as you can see, and while I like how things are organized, there's just too many things in here, and guess what, half of them never get used because the kids have outgrown them. So I haven't tackled this closet in like over a year, maybe even a year and a half, and so there's a lot of stuff like baby blankets in here, baskets that have toys and seasonal stuff that some don't fit anymore that need to be decluttered, and then just the closet itself. What I've been doing for a while now is just every time my kids outgrow something, I just sort of shove the things in the back of the closet and they never get to see the light of day again. So we'll need to go through those. We also have some gifts in that garbage bag there that we need to empty from my kid's birthday recently, and then also these baskets that are in this unit here that have things that are easily accessible for the kids, so I'll be decluttering those. So there's a huge amount of work to be done in this room today, and you just wait and see how many garbage bag full of stuff we end up removing from this room just because they don't get used anymore. So I started with the two top shelves which have my daughter's stuff, so I'm gonna organize those and then put them back, and what you'll notice is I don't actually really change much in the system that I have in this room because it works really well. I like having my daughter's stuff up top because I can reach them, and I can get her stuff for her, and then I like having my son's stuff in the bottom shelves because he is more independent and he can grab his stuff and doesn't make too much of a mess. So that's what I'll do here with my daughter's stuff, and then you'll see me put them back because I don't want to get overwhelmed. I know the Marie Kondo style of doing things is to just empty everything out and go through them one by one, but I find that just gives me a lot of stress and it feels like it's a never-ending job. So what I'm attempting to do here today is just tackle one area, one corner at a time, which is what my motto is. So this is everything I have now for my daughter. As you can see, I folded the things I'm putting back, and then this is the pile that I'm gonna be donating. This is round one. We will be adding more and more to it, trust me. And then I have a little pile here for hand-me-down to other little kids that we have in our family as well. And now I'm gonna continue with my son's stuff. And if it's your first time here, let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Diana, and I am new to this YouTube world. Thank you for joining us today. I do videos on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and some DIY. And I thank you for joining us today. I hope you will enjoy this video.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
This right here is a bag of hand-me-downs that my daughter got from my very good friend. So I'm just sorting through it because some of the stuff are still a little bit too big, and some she can wear right now. So I'm just sorting through them, and the ones that she can wear right now I'll keep with everything else that my daughter has, and then the ones that I think are too big, I'm just gonna organize them and put them in their own separate basket to go through later. And now I'm just gonna go through the clothes that are on hangers. Some of those need to be sorted and separated and organized as well. Everything that has to be donated because they're too small, I am putting off to the side. So that's what we're doing next.
With these humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes.
Now, because everything is becoming overwhelming for me now at this point, after bringing the baskets down and with the donation pile and all of that stuff, it's just there's a lot of clothes. I decided to start bagging the stuff that I know I'm going to be donating. So I brought a garbage bag to bag them, and then I needed a second one. And so I thought, let's play a fun little game. How many bags will I fill today by decluttering this room? I showed you at the beginning how much stuff we had to go through. So comment below if you end up guessing correctly how many bags you think I end up filling with the stuff that we have in this room to give away and to donate. I'll show you the answer at the very end, but I thought this would be a fun game to see if you can, I don't know, guess.
Where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you.
So at this point, I ended up stopping for the day. I had to bring my kids for their activities, but I came back and continued on this room the second day. Now, to tell you the truth, I honestly thought this job was going to take me maybe 2 hours at max, but I was wrong. I underestimated the amount of stuff that we had in here, and I guess partly because I kind of compartmentalized them and they were somewhat organized. It just didn't seem like that much, but it literally took me 2 days to go through all of this, and they were long days, so there's a lot of stuff. And this is a hint if you are trying to guess how many bags I end up filling up, because they were a lot.
Yes, I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too. A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far?
I started this whole day, or I guess this whole project, with laundry. So I'm just going to fold all the clothes that I washed and go through them as well. Some I will be getting rid of, and then some I'll put away. But we are pretty much done otherwise in the room with the decluttering and the cleaning and organizing. And I'll show you how everything turned out.
Ooh, closer than before. Closer than before.
And this is what everything looked like after I decluttered. So these are all the clothes that the kids actually wear. I've removed all of the things that I was keeping in the back there that they've outgrown. There are fewer books. These are like the socks and things that they actually do wear. And as you can see, I actually even have room for hangers, extra empty hangers. The seasonal clothes and the stuff that don't fit yet, I've put them in baskets up top, and then also the toys that I'm hoping they can forget about temporarily, and I'll bring them out from time to time. But otherwise, this is what everything looks like. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I didn't do any sort of major changes, as I mentioned at the beginning, with where I put things. I just made room for more. And then the baskets also contain all of the same stuff as before, except I have this extra basket here now that I put their swimsuits and just like, you know, occasional things that they use. But that's pretty much it. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, I'm sure. I asked at the beginning, how many bags will I fill? Now, let's take a look.
Dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the.
So the answer is 6, you guys. Did you get 6? Well, if you guessed 5, you're still technically correct because one of those bags was actually a garbage bag. But yeah, so 6 bags were filled with things from this room, which is a lot. So you can see why I needed to do this little project here for my kids' room. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, I hope that you have hit that subscribe button and click like so that I know you like this type of content, and I hope you will stick around for more videos like this and other ones where I do more decluttering, organizing, cleaning, and DIY. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.
We're climbing way up together, standing on this hill. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.